Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Cik Madun. My matric number CB230153. Today I will explain about our project uh, in workshop is CNC lathe, CNC grinding, CNC EDM die sinking. A CNC lathe machine is used for various machining processes such as turning, drilling, and cutting. The machine uh, trades on both the external and internal part of a component. The type of operation CNC turning is number one, cutting external diameter thread, and number two, cutting internal diameter thread. Number three, chamfering. And number four, making grooves on the workpiece. Okay, we move to key parts of CNC turning. Firstly, headstock. Headstock is the main part of the CNC lathe, contain the motor that drive the spindle. Okay, number two is chuck. Chuck is used to hold the workpiece. Various types include three-jaw and four-jaw chuck. Next, bed. The foundation of the CNC lathe, typically V-shaped or flat, made from high-quality cast iron. Next, foot pedals. Foot pedal is to control the opening and closing of the chuck that holds the workpiece. Next, tailstock. Tailstock is provide additional force on the end of the workpiece to prevent it from wobbling during machining. Next, control panel. Control panel is manage the overall operation of the CNC lathe machine. Okay, we move to type of cutting tools in CNC turning. Number one is external thread tools. It's used to cut external thread. Number two, turning tools is used for longitudinal cutting. And number three, chamfering tool used to make edge chamfer. And number four, grooving tool. It used to create groove on surface. Okay, this is our final product in CNC turning. We do Bishop component in chess. Okay, this is our final product. Okay, we move to CNC grinding. In CNC grinding, the CNC grinding machine is process that use a rotating grinding wheel to remove material from a metal workpiece. It is controlled by a CNC system, and the CNC grinding is used to produce a smooth surface and complex for component with high accuracy. Uh, in dressing wheel, we have a dressing process, such as number one is choose dressing tool, number two, position the wheel, number three, clean the wheel surface, and number four, finish shaping. So the process for choose dressing tool. The dressing tool used is typically a cutting tool with coarse, abrasive grains such as a diamond or control wheel. which is used to scrape the grinding wheel surface. This tool helps remove obstructing material and reshape the wheel surface. Number two is position the wheel. In dressing, tool is positioned uh, preciously in relation to the grinding wheel. The position is crucial because it determines how much of the wheel surface will be dressed. Number three is clean the wheel surface. Uh, the grinding will rotate the dressing to press and to after that press again the wheel surface to remove material build build up and reform the abrasive grains. This step ensure the wheel is sharp and ready for use. And number four, finish shaping. Finish shaping is the once the dressing process is complete, the grinding wheel will be sharp and flat again. This process may need to be repeated uh, periodically and depending on the wear and type of work being done. Okay, this is our final product in CNC grinding. And then last part is CNC EDM die sinking. So CNC introduction for CNC die sinking is CNC EDM die sinking is a machining process that use electrical spark to erupt material from a metal workpiece. This process involves electrode and a conductive workpiece where the electrical discharge generate extremely high temperature, around between 8,000 Celsius and 12,000 Celsius to melt and remove the material. So, after that, CNC die sinking, uh, CNC die sinking technology allow the correction of cavities or complex shapes with high precision, particularly for mold, dies, and precision engineering components. This process is especially susceptible for hard material or those difficult to cut using conventional machining methods. Okay. Okay, we move to key parts of CNC EDM die sinking. Firstly is electrode. Is the function used as the cutting tool. Its shape define the final product shape. Okay, number two is dielectric fluid. Uh, is act as a coolant and electrical insulator to prevent direct contact between the electrode and workpiece. And last is EDM controller. This part is allow the user to set machine parameters for previous operation. Okay, this is a final product. Our final product is CNC DM die sinking. So we look the project have a logo UTSM uh, up in front of the material. For the conclusion, CNC EDM die sinking use electrical spark to erupt hard material, making it ideal for intricate and precise cut on components that are difficult to machine using traditional method. CNC, However, CNC lathe is suitable for turning and shaping symmetrical parts with high precision, while CNC grinding excels in producing smooth surface and achieve tight tolerance. Mystery of the three machining process is essential to ensure the production of high quality and accurate component required in various industries such as automotive, aerospace, tool manufacturing, and precision engineering. That's all from me. Thank you.